Hey, do you own a luxury watch? Nice. But do you know if you ignore these 5 watch problems, it can cost you a lot of money? No, right? It's okay. Let me tell you. If your watch is too fast or too slow, that's a problem. Even if it's fully worn, but it stops randomly, this requires fixing. Does your watch stop working too soon? Even though you wear it a lot, but this requires oiling or repair. If your watch makes weird ticking or grinding noises, something inside might be broken, and that's a bad sign. Do you see fog or water inside your watch? That means water got in. The seals might be broken. Is it hard to turn the crown or push the buttons? This requires lubrication to work smoothly again. Luxury watches are like race cars. They need regular checkups. Get your mechanical watch to check every 3 to 5 years, while your quartz watches to replace new battery every 1 to 2 years. And that wraps up the 5 warning signs that you need to watch out for your luxury timepiece. If you find this video helpful, do hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button as well, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And also, do follow us on our social media platform as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.